Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Warmwind OS and Microsoft Copilot. Warmwind OS and Microsoft Copilot both aim to boost productivity using AI, but they work in different ways. Warmwind AI acts like a virtual assistant that works around the clock for you. It can mimic human actions like clicking, typing, and navigating apps without needing any programming. You just give it a simple instructions like send this report or update the file, and it handles the rest. It connects with popular tools like Gmail, Slack, and Google Docs, even those without APIs. Best of all, it keeps working in the background even if your browser is closed. Your data is safely stored on German cloud servers that follow strict privacy laws. On the other hand, Microsoft Copilot is an AI tool built into apps like Word, Excel, and Outlook to help you work faster and smarter. It can write emails, create documents, summarize notes, and even make charts from your data. You just type what's in it in plain language, and it does the hard work for you. It's helpful for both students and professionals who want to save time. Copilot understands the context of your files, so its suggestions feel natural and accurate. It's easy to use and works right inside the apps you already know. In short, Warmwind OS is better for automating tasks across different apps without coding, while Microsoft Copilot is better for AI-powered help inside Microsoft Office tools. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.